D. Part 5 of 14. Spring. Create a new file. Select model template. Enter the units inches. Enter the name. Spring. Click OK. Type helix. Select along vector. By default, ZC axis is selected. Enter the diameter value 0.425 inches. Select the length. Enter the 10, 7. Enter the pitch distance 0.1132 inches. Click OK. Now create a sketch. X is set datum plane. Click OK. Now select include. Select the end point. Click OK. Now draw a circle of diameter 0.029 inches. Finish the sketch. Now type speed along guide. By default, our cross section is selected. Select the guide curve. Select the helix. Setting body type solid. Click OK. Select datum axis. Select on ZC axis. Click OK. Right click. Orient view to trimetric. Save the file. File close all parts. This completes code D part 5 of 14 spring.